Hello everyone who's watching my YouTube channel. I'm ready for a camping trip in Belgium. There's two reasons I'm doing this trip. First, because I want to train myself for camping in a little worse conditions like rainy and making fire and stuff in the rain. And I want to test out my new underquilt for my hammock. I'll see you soon. wood. Hello guys, I've made everything ready for the fire. I chopped down a whole tree and now we have the fireplace set up, all the wood in there, and now let's try and light some fire. The fire is going well. I've got some pieces of wood left and I'm creating a nice hot coal bed now, and after that we can cook some food. Good morning guys. It's been quite a nice night camping. Had some troubles getting to sleep, but when I slept lovely. The conclusion is I can make a fire when it's wet. It's been here. It's also been quite a good fire. And my hammock under quilt is nice and warm. So that's great. Another conclusion is I have to learn how to tie more knots than just a normal knot, but that's for later. Now I'm going to clean up. I'm going to break my camp down and then I'm going to drive home again.